Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Certainly. Proxmox Virtual Environment, proxmox-ve, is an open-source server virtualization management solution based on qemu/kvm and LXC. It allows you to manage virtual machines, VMS, and containers through a web-based interface. Ubuntu, a popular Linux distribution, can be used as a guest OS in Proxmox. Tutorial: Setting up proxmox-ve with Ubuntu. Prerequisites: a physical server or machine where you will install Proxmox. Minimum of 4 GB RAM, 8 GB or more is recommended. A CPU that supports virtualization, Intel VTX or amd-v. A blank hard drive or partition for Proxmox installation. Step 1. Installing Proxmox-ve. 1. Download proxmox-ve.iso. Go to the Proxmox download page, https://www.proxmox.com/n/downloads, and download the latest ISO image. 2. Create a bootable USB drive. You can use tools like Rufus, Windows, or DD, Linux, to create a bootable USB drive with the downloaded ISO. Example: using DD, replace /dev/sdx with your USB device. Bash. Sudo dd if =path/to/proxmox-ve.iso of =dev/sdx bs =4m status =progress. 3. Boot from USB. Insert the USB drive into your server and boot from it. You may need to change the boot order in the BIOS/UEFI settings. 4. Install Proxmox. Follow the installation prompts. Accept the license agreement. Select the target hard drive for installation. Configure your country, time zone, and keyboard layout. Set up an admin password and email. Configure the network settings, static IP is recommended. Complete the installation and reboot. 5. Access Proxmox web interface. After installation, access the Proxmox web interface by entering https://your_proxmox_ip8006 in your web browser. Log in with the username root and the password you set during installation. Step 2. Creating an Ubuntu virtual machine. 1. Download Ubuntu ISO. Go to the Ubuntu downloads page, https://ubuntu.com/download/desktop, and download the desired version of the Ubuntu ISO. 2. Upload ISO to Proxmox. Go to the Proxmox web interface. Select your storage, usually local. Navigate to the ISO images section. Click on Upload and select the Ubuntu ISO file. 3. Create a new virtual machine. Click on Create VM. Enter a VM ID and name. Select the Ubuntu ISO you uploaded. Assign resources, CPU, memory. Set up the hard disk, size, format. Configure the network, typically using the default bridge. Review and finish the setup. 4. Start the virtual machine. Select the newly created VM in the left panel. Click on the Start button. Open the Console tab to access the VM. 5. Install Ubuntu. Follow the prompts to install Ubuntu. Choose the installation type, standard or minimal. Set up user accounts and other preferences. After installation, reboot the VM. Step 3. Accessing the Ubuntu VM. Once Ubuntu is installed, you can access it via the console in Proxmox or by connecting through SSH. 1. Enable SSH on Ubuntu, if not already enabled. Bash. Sudo apt update. Sudo apt install OpenShare server. 2. Find the IP address. You can find the IP address by running bash IPA 3 SSH into the Ubuntu VM. From your local machine, run bash SSH username at Ubuntu_IP. Additional configuration. Update Ubuntu. After logging into your Ubuntu VM, update it. Bash sudo apt update and sudo apt upgrade y. Install additional packages. You can install any additional software you need. For example, to install nginx, bash sudo apt install nginx y. Creating backups. Proxmox provides backup options for your VMS. You can schedule backups through the Proxmox web interface. Conclusion. You have now set up Proxmox-ve and created a virtual machine running Ubuntu. Proxmox allows for extensive management capabilities, including snapshots, backups, and networking configurations. Feel free to explore more features of Proxmox and Ubuntu, including high availability, clustering, and container management with LXC.